What we did was we started at what we call M5U. All right, it's M5 University. Now, what we saw that there was a tremendous need in the business for training. One of the ones that I personally was involved with was cashiers and porters. When I'm in stores, I always ask them, I said, how were you trained to interact with a customer? And again, they look at me like I got three heads. Nobody ever gave me any training. We have online training for porters. We have online training for cashiers. We have online training for group leaders, service managers, service advisors. We got a whole suite of training curriculums that we use. We have one that is my ultimate favorite. It's called Charm School. It's teaching people to be nice. Now, that may sound a little crazy, but there's a lot of advisors that could light up the room by leaving it. They got such crappy attitudes. Oh, but they're giving me $150,000 in gross. You got to teach people to be nice. That's one of the most important things in selling a relationship and keeping customers coming back is they like to do business with nice people. We have a curriculum to teach them to be nice. Two that I absolutely love are cashiers and porters because nobody ever thinks about it, but think about images. Who generates the most images of your store from a personnel standpoint? Service advisors, some cases 5,000 to 6,000 times a year. But porters could be anywhere from 10,000 to 12,000 images per year. But nobody ever trains them to interact with the customer, how to serve the client, how to smile at the customer, how to assist them, how to direct them. We have the ability to do that in our training. We also have cashier training. Now, I know there's a lot of stores that have eliminated the position of cashiers, but there's also a lot of stores that still have it. Now, think about the cashier interacting with your customers. Who's trained them? We have the solution for that. We have online training that your cashiers can take advantage of. When they test out, because there is a test, this is not something that there's a warmy, feel-good type of training. They have to test out and pass. We send them a certificate.